Life is full of surprises. Some surprises are good, like a surprise birthday party or an unexpected bonus at work. But some surprises are not so fun, like a sudden car repair or a medical bill. That's where managing your money comes in. When you take control of your finances, you're ready for anything. You can handle those unexpected expenses without stress. Having a handle on your money also opens up a world of possibilities. Want to buy a house? Take that dream vacation? Retire early? It all starts with managing your money well. It's about making your money work for you instead of the other way around. Don't let money control your life. Take charge and create the future you want. This isn't about being a financial expert. It's about taking simple steps to improve your financial well-being. It's about feeling confident and secure about your money. So, let's get started. A budget might sound scary, but it's really just a plan for your money. It's about understanding where your money is coming from and where it's going. The first step is to track your spending. Write down everything you spend for a month. Every cup of coffee, every grocery bill, every online purchase, track it all. Once you know where your money is going, you can start making a plan. How much do you need for essential expenses like rent, food, and transportation? How much can you save? Are there any areas where you can cut back on spending? A budget helps you make conscious choices about your money. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing what's important to you. Maybe you realize you're spending a lot on eating out. Could you cook at home more often and use the savings for something else like a vacation fund? A budget gives you that clarity and control. Saving money is crucial for a secure future. Think of it as building a safety net. An emergency fund is your first saving priority. This is money you set aside for unexpected expenses, like a medical bill or a car repair. Aim to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Once you have your emergency fund, you can start saving for other goals, like a down payment on a house, your children's education, or retirement. The key is to make saving a habit. Even small amounts add up over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. You won't even miss the money, and your savings will grow steadily. Saving is about planning for the future and having peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Growing your money simple investing for beginners. Investing might seem complicated, but it doesn't have to. It's simply putting your money to work for you, so it grows over time. You're essentially buying a small piece of a company or an asset, hoping its value will increase. One of the easiest ways to start investing is through mutual funds or index funds. These funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. Diversification is key because it spreads your risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, invest in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce your risk. The earlier you start investing, the better. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to investing. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, starting early allows your money to grow exponentially over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Breaking free from debt strategies for financial freedom. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back. The first step to managing debt is to understand how much you owe and the interest rates you're paying. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and personal loans. Focus on paying down high-interest debt first, as it accumulates quickly and can be costly. Consider using the debt snowball method. This involves paying off your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on your other debts. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you roll that payment amount into the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. Another option is the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying down the debt with the highest interest rate first. Whichever method you choose, the key is to be consistent with your payments and stay motivated. Becoming debt-free takes time and effort, but the financial freedom it brings is priceless.